Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a makeup tutorial. It's been a minute, but this one is inspired by our makeup mother, Kim K herself. So let's get started. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic cream. I used way too much, but oh my goodness, it gives you such a nice hydrated base for any makeup. How could I film a Kim K tutorial without using Mario Badescue's Rose Water Spray? Oh my god, it leaves your skin so glowy. This is the Katvon D Signature Brow Pencil in the color Walnut. This is my new go-to brow pencil. And as I'm doing my brows, I'm looking at pictures of Kim's brows. She always has a really long, arched, semi-slim brow, so that's what I'm trying to achieve. I sped this part up and I'm not going too in depth with the brows because I definitely want to film a separate tutorial for you guys. But right now I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Ginger. This color is so close to my skin tone, it's crazy. Remember to blend the concealer under your brows for a more natural look. Next, just a little brow gel to set the brow hairs in place. I hear Giorgio Armani's Luminous Silk Foundation is Kim's favorite foundation, so I was like, yeah, I'm totally using this. But I'm taking my beauty blender and just dabbing the foundation all over my face. You're also going to see me apply this on my eyelids, just to give the skin a nice all over even coverage and make sure everything is one complexion. I love using beauty blenders for foundation. It gives a nice seamless application and you don't see any streaks like when you use a brush, but you will see me blend out the edges with the brush because I certainly did not want to get this on my sleek pony. This is the NYX color corrector. This drastically helps if you have any dark circles under the eye. It's just going to cancel it out. All your makeup doesn't have to be expensive, guys. Drugstore products work just as well as luxury. I love beauty blenders. I cannot stress this enough. Like, they really help to make sure that everything is nice and seamless and blended out. I'm going back in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer just to cover up that color corrector. This also gives me a little bit more coverage on the areas that I feel need it. So we all know Kim is the highlight and contour connoisseur. So right now I'm highlighting all the areas that I want to stand out. So I'm using the Tarte Creaseless Concealer and the shade is so light. And I got it from my job and I was like, you know what? I got it, so let me put it to use. And it's perfect for this. This concealer is like super nice. I don't know how to explain it, but it has a bounce to it. Almost like rubber. But it really doesn't crease. But I always set my concealer because I don't want to take any chances. I wear makeup all day long. So creaseless means nothing to me. Like, I'm setting that concealer. Quick fun fact, you guys, I actually have a highlight and contour video on my channel from about 2 years ago when I had absolutely no clue what I was talking about. So go check that out on my channel. Next is contour time. This is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Mocha. I really love what Rihanna did with these matchsticks. They're a liquid to powder finish. Super easy to blend. and so many colors. I know that Kim contours pretty much everywhere, so that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm even contouring the jawline, which is something I wouldn't do in a regular everyday makeup application. And I also contoured under the lip just to make it look a bit more pouty. I'm also contouring my eyelids because it just looks like that's what she does. I've never seen her do it, but it just gives a little bit more definition to the eyelid. And now you see me blending it out. The way that I'm blending this contour is not the traditional way, or not the way that I would do it for my face shape, but Kim always blends. It just looks like she blends her contour in a downward direction. So that's what I did here. With contouring, you pretty much just have to take your time, step back, look to see what you're doing. Don't get frustrated. I know she contours the forehead, so I do that on a daily. My forehead is more like a 4.5 head. So I have a confession. The part where I set my whole face with powder did not record. And I also came back with my lashes on. These are Velour Lashes, and I'm just applying a little bit of the Nars Climax Mascara to blend them. This is the Stilla Fineliner, and I'm just using to tightline and conceal the lashes. This is a Dior Blush, and you're gonna see me making this face a lot just because of the way Kim's makeup is placed. I just know I gotta make that face. This is the Nars Illuminator. Here I used way too much. I got scared. I was like, oh no, blend this out right now. Just to give a little bit of highlight, but in a natural way. I'm going back in with another highlighter from Fenty Beauty. This is Metal Moon. Very subtle, very natural, because we're going for natural glam. I absolutely love this liner from Huda Beauty. It's called Trendsetter. It looks so much like a natural lip. Like, it's not too dark, it's not too light. It's perfect for defining the lip. And here I'm just adding a little bit more highlight because I'm trying to achieve a super sharp Cupid's bow, just like him. So I'm overlining a little bit because we all know Kardashian lips are fluffy, pouty, and pretty. And I'm just going to add a little bit more definition and a 3D effect with my Fenty Gloss Bomb to finish it all off. My Badescue spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what other tutorials you want to see in the comments, and be sure to smash that like button.